Camp Winnie. Welcome to Esperance. And the water is absolutely freezing. I suggest you don't go in the water.
Esperance was one of the locations on our maps that we really wanted to enjoy, but I guess one of the things with travelling, you can't predict the weather. You get what you're given, and it's a real shame because last night almost cyclonic winds swept through this region of Western Australia down here in Esperance. Didn't hit our campsite, but it was very, very powerful winds. They do say you lose your first drone. That's one down for me. Yep, it's in its watery grave about 4 kilometres out to sea. Unfortunately, we're protected in this gorge, and I didn't realise how powerful the winds were over the rise. And boy, it's nearly knocked Chloe off her feet. It's so powerful. So the drone had no chance. And I just couldn't bring it back. It lost signal at about 4 kilometres and down in the ocean she went. Oh well, that's life. I'll have to replace it and just move on and keep the show on the road.
Goodbye, drone.
Bye-bye, my little drone. You actually cried, darling, didn't you? Because that drone was a gift from Santa. Sorry,
and Santa
Santa
will be very upset.
He will. Moaning. Yeah. Bush barber. Bush barber.
Oh, I know.
We have to get to the chopper now.
So we have something to tell you. You'll probably remember a couple of episodes ago we met Bus Life down under, that family in the big bus, and Chloe made quite a connection with their daughter Audrey. It was quite a rift for her when we had to leave. We've sort of kept in touch here and there over the last few weeks, but they were still back in South Australia while we made our way across the Nullarbor into Norseman, into Esperance, where we are now. They're some 1,100 kilometres away, and we're trying to explain to Chloe that that's like Sydney to Brisbane. And she keeps on asking when are we going to see them again. So we've been in touch with one another, us and the big Bus Life people, what's it called? Bus Life Down Under.
Yep.
We're meeting up today, and Chloe doesn't know. It's going to be a surprise, and we can't wait to see the look on her face when we pull in. I think Audrey knows, that's their daughter.
But Jess and Chloe have no idea, so it's going to be a nice surprise when we pull in.
Yeah.
I'll make sure I record Chloe's reaction.
Yeah, we didn't think we'd meet up so soon, but like I said, they've made contact, and so are we.
And they've struck up such a beautiful friendship that we're actually keen for them to get together again.
And you did promise we'd see them.
I did.
Girl,
And the mum's got to keep a promise.
When he's gonna get scratched again.
Hang on, kids.
Please. Ah! Daddy, shut your door. Shut your window.
Hang on.
He's going to push the branches away with his hands. Fine on this side. That car was still there this morning.
Is that Bus Life?
No, looks like it, mate. Been a long way away.
I thought that was... It's Bus Life!
Who is it?
Oh my god.
Who is it?
Oh my god.
Who is it?
It's Bus Life!
And
Who is it?
Audrey!
Look.
Audrey!
What have you been up to? We're doing a bit of a beach cleanup, and I don't know whether Dan's found that or it was given to him. You know what I mean? So the first flat tyre we have experienced is not us. It's Big Dan and Chantel. Oh no. Bugger. You need a hand, Dan? No, it's all good, mate. Indy?
Hi. Hello.
Eventually the handle like up towards.
Hello, darling. Hello, mister. Hey,
Most people walk on by and don't notice, but the ones that do,
Oh my god, Indy.
it's like a double take.
Yeah, there was two, you know, the girls on that funny bike looking thing? Do it for the
There
camera.
he goes, look.
He wants the birds. Do it.
He's just like, yep, I want my hair cut and I want to cut now. And he brought his clippers along with him, so I was like, okay. You have to change the settings to make it take a photo.
We were trying to work out today how to get
I just want to watch her.
Yep.
doing it.
Huge thank you to Chantel for doing my hair. I haven't had my hair done for more than 2 months, but we've been on the road for 2 months and I haven't even had a hairdryer to my hair, so it feels amazing.
Give us a look, see?
Thank you.
Yeah.
And we did it outside the van, inside the van. Oh, amazing.
Well, this is our last day in Esperance. We're heading west today. Fantastic location. Weather's been a bit hit and miss, to be honest. Windy, rainy, cold, and then sunny, and then swimming, and then windy, rainy, and cold again. I think we caught the tail end of the cyclone that swept through here last week, so the weather's been a bit funny. Absolutely beautiful, pristine place though. Water and beaches. Not the most RV friendly spot we've come across, like South Australia was. So far, not a lot of the true free camps around. As a matter of fact, where we were the last few nights, Esperance council rangers got in there this morning and went around our whole campsite, knocking on everyone's doors and issuing warnings, taking photos, get a number plate, all that sort of stuff. It spooked everyone, they all left. So it's time to move on anyway. We're just in a local sporting field here. The girls have got the cats out running around. Have a go at the size of this sporting field. It is massive, and I haven't seen people's front lawns this nice in a long time. It's one thing the council's doing right, eh? There's no one here. Cats love it, at least.
Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper. Actually, we're going in our motorhome, west.